guys, welcome back to another new video. This is Akash, you watching my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm explain how to reset your Zen browser. So keep watching my video and subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So I'm just click Zen browser and click three dot icon and click settings. You can shortcut click outer places and left side select option and scroll down and reset settings and restore settings to their original default settings. So now click on and reset settings. Okay, their action will do reset your Zen browser and Zen browser shortcut and disable extension, delete cookie and others temporary site data, bookmark history and save permission would not affect. So now I click reset settings and already Gmail sync pass and disable extension and delete cookie and temporary site data. So bookmark is not affected but Gmail logout. So Gmail login again, resyncing everything. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share this video. So bye bye.